Okay, here's my presentation on my ecological house. The family's last name is Emerson, which is why it's the title of my presentation. Okay, here's the family profile. Sage and Luke Emerson are a young couple. They have a son whose name is Elijah, and Sage's brother James lives with them occasionally. And he's stuck in a wheelchair because of an injury to his knee while he was playing football in high school, and it has never been the same, which is why he's now in a wheelchair. They have a pet rabbit named Bob. Okay, here are my blocking diagrams. The one on the left just shows the rooms and everything. And then the one on the right shows the flow of the space and how you can walk through the house. Okay, here's how the house is eco-friendly, because I had to include these. So I have a gray water system and solar panels on the roof. Here's the first floor plan, which has all the rooms labeled and a lot of dimensions. Here's the second floor, which is a loft, which I made into a shared office for the parents. Here's the site analysis, which explains how the sun shines in the area and how the wind, which direction the wind comes from, the direction of north, and where the road is. Here's my roof plan, which shows the slope of the roofs, the direction of that slope, and how they slant. And then here are my cross sections, which is a view that you would see if you took off the exterior wall. So this is my north section, and this is my east section. Okay, here's my isometric view, which is similar to a section view, however it's not flat. And it is also from the north side of my house. Okay, here's the entryway with a rendering of the area, the finishes used in the area, because it's not exactly a room, and then my lighting. Here's the living and dining area with a rendering that I added stuff in with Photoshop. The finishes and the lighting. Okay, here's the first slide in my kitchen because I have 3. Actually, no, I think I have 5. Okay, here's my rendering with some stuff added in Photoshop. The circulation triangle, the lighting, and then all of my finishes that are in there. Okay, here's my first elevation that shows just the height of cabinetries and placement of everything. And then here's my second elevation, which shows more of the appliances. And then here's my kitchen island and the elevations on that. The cabinetry used in the island, and then a rendering of it and the materials. And then here's the info on all the cabinetry and the appliances in the kitchen. And then here's my stairway, which is right next to the kitchen, the rendering, the materials and everything, and then the lighting. And then here is my loft office space with the rendering. I added that rug in Photoshop and I'm really proud of how it looks. And then the finishes, which is just the flooring and the desk. desk and the fabric on the chairs and the lighting. And then here's my laundry and powder room with those renderings. The finishes of everything. And the lighting, that's pretty much everywhere. And then here is the guest room, which is James's room, so it's ADA compliant. So it's rather big and doesn't have anything close to the doors so that someone in a wheelchair has room to turn around and exit. And then here is the finishes and everything. And then here's the ADA or guest bathroom with the use of an ADA shower tub combo and the ADA compliant vanity so that someone can roll under it. And then the finishes of everything. The lighting, I think that light is very pretty, and the same one that's everywhere. And then here's the child's room, which is painted light blue, and the rest of the finishes. And the rabbit cage is in his room because I couldn't think of anywhere else to have it, and the lighting. And then here's the master bedroom. Photoshopping the bedspread on there took forever, as well as putting those photos in those frames. Okay, here is the finishes of everything and the lighting. I think that pendant light is very pretty. You can't see it in here because of how high it is on the ceiling. And then here's the master bathroom and those finishes. Same light as in the ADA bathroom. And then here's my furniture schedule that shows everything that was used in the house. And then here's my lighting / RCP schedule because the fan is in there and it's not technically a light, so I had to call it RCP. And then here's my finished schedules, which show every material that's on a surface in the house. So it's the walls, the flooring, anything on a piece of furniture or on an appliance. And then here's part 2. And then just my walkthrough, which I'm not going to show you because it'll take way too long because it goes super slow. So that is the end of my presentation, and doing this video is better than how I presented it over Zoom, so yay! Hope you liked it.